The overall evaluation of the control environment of EasyClean is strong. Integrity and ethical values are strong, as Doug is committed to providing quality services to your customers and being honest in dealings with them. The board of directors is strong, as Doug and Phil have a good understanding of the industry and the business operations. Management's philosophy and operating style are strong, as they are focused on providing customer-oriented services and have established good customer relationships. The organizational structure is strong, as Doug and Phil have clearly defined roles and responsibilities. The financial reporting competencies are strong, as they maintain accurate and complete records. Authority and responsibility are strong, as Doug and Phil have a well-defined system of checks and balances. Finally, the human resources are strong, as they have a well-trained and experienced staff.